Relationships. Some of them good ones and some of them bad ones. Some of the bad ones took a turn for the better, and some of the good ones ended up sad ones. You see, loving it ain't hard to get. I want a friend, not just a lover. Someone who's dedicated only to me, not to me and to others. One who will not lie to me, or think that he can get all about buying me. I know I'll find him someday, and when I find him, he sure won't say